Make a great choice today with the 2024 Lincoln Navigator. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find heads-up display, lane departure warning, trip computer, power adjustable pedals, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.